Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called long-term retirement visas. These have been in the news a lot lately, and I'm kind of bringing up we've only talked about this in a couple of videos, the so-called OX retirement visa. But I got to thinking about this in a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Retiring to Thailand Just Got More Confusing," and I urge folks who are watching this video, go check out that article. A lot of insight in there. But they go ahead and first of all, they note these recently proposed, and let's be clear, we don't know exactly what these look like yet. This hasn't really been set in stone, but the way it's firming up, quoting directly, 10-year visa, actually 5 times 2, and the privilege of avoiding queues at immigration for the 90 days report. We've done a video on that. I'm not certain that 90-day reporting is going to be exempted under these new visas. I don't know how legally that's going to be the case without amending the actual Immigration Act of '79. Quoting further, applicants must show an annual income of at least $40,000 U.S. plus U.S. $250,000 in government bonds or yet to be defined real estate purchases. So that's kind of what you're looking at with regard to the criteria on this newly proposed 10-year visa. Let's compare that to the old OX visa, and I'll get into explaining, well, I'll just explain now. The OX visa, it was designed a couple, what was it, 7 years ago, 6, 7 years ago, and it basically is a 10-year retirement visa. Basically what it was designed to be. It didn't really get off the ground. Let me quote directly again from the same article. A 10-year retiree visa, in fact, dates back to 2016 when the OX visa was introduced. This required an ongoing investment of 3 million baht, US $100,000, and was designed to accommodate expat families as well as individuals. Few applications appear to have been made as the bureaucracy was cumbersome. Yeah. When we even inquired about it, it was like an uphill battle. Quoting further, a police clearance certificate in the home country, ongoing hospitalization insurance, and regular bank account checks were examples. Yeah, the big issue we saw with that was there was like these requirements that, funds had to stay in a bank account untouched for a prolonged period of time. Quoting further, whilst it was unclear who exactly were the target groups, it still exists on paper. Yes, the OX retirement visa is still out there on paper, but as a practical matter, it has not been in wide use. Now, these new 10-year visas, I don't exactly know how the rubber's going to hit the road with these, but I've said it before and I'll say it again. I don't think it's going to be a really broadly utilized travel document for Thailand. And the sort of legacy, I don't even like calling it, the bread and butter retirees of Thailand, I just don't think they're going to use either one of these, either the OX or the long-term retirement visa here in Thailand.